exercise 3 of bass rhythms. You're starting on a D note. Notice I'm using the pinky for the D over here, where normally I'd probably start the bass line on here with the first finger. But if I start with the pinky, it's maybe easier to jump down to the B flat over here. So yes, you can do this, but it's a big jump. If I do this, less of movement. Now first of all, on the rhythm itself, okay, we got the D note there. Again, I don't mind if you use the index, but I would sort of encourage you to think about the pinky finger. But the rhythm right now is arguably more important. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I'm going to play that twice in a row so you can hear the effect. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... There we go. Now we're going to do it once as it's written down. So it's going to go from the D, where I am, to the B flat. F is directly above it. And I borrowed this chord sequence from Green Day's 21 Guns. Basically all the progressions I'm going to work through over here are taken from different songs. And the last bar is going to be a C, which is over there. Okay, so one more time. D, B flat, F, C. Okay, what's the rhythm? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the F, C, jump with the pinky, back to the starting position. Okay, now try and get it slightly faster as well, so something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And then even faster, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because obviously different rhythms can be played at any speed. So the rhythm sort of gets to the value of the feel of the beat, feel of the rhythm. Speed is how fast you play it at. So start them all slow and obviously add speed. Okay, very, very important. Next up, exercise 4. Now this is what, it's almost like a gallop, but not quite there yet. And we're starting at fret number 7. This is the E. Okay, and it goes slow motion. I'm just going to repeat the first bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can also put a rest on the end. So 1 and silence, and all I'm doing to silence it is I'm just relaxing the pinky. Can you see the pinky's movement? I could also use the ring finger. But the reason why I don't want to use the pinky, don't want to use the ring, is because I'm going to jump down in the next bar to a D, and then I'm just going to move my finger down the whole way through, and then jump back up with the pinky again, and work my way down. So you're going to have to move the hand a bit. Okay, here we go the whole way through slowly. It's going to be E, D, C, B. I'm going to mention this a lot more times. Get to know the names of the notes. And this is E again. Okay, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now we spoke earlier about these fingers on your picking hand and how we should walk them. So let's quickly have a look at that application. Working in groups of 3 is obviously triplet sort of feel, so I'd go, first of all, the first note is just the opening note, 1, but then the groups of 3 is the triplets, 1, 2, 3, bit of a different angle, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you can see the angle kicking inside there, or the 2 fingers at the angle rather, and the speed. If I did one finger, it would feel quite clumsy, so you definitely need that middle finger to come in there to help with the speed. There we go. Now if we put the whole thing together, it should sound something like this, a bit faster. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and... Big jump. Now if you don't like like that big jump from this B all the way back to E, and you know your notes really well. That's why learning your note names is imperative. It's not negotiable. You can also find this C here and this B here. So you could also do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just doubled each bar over there just to sort of hear the rhythm, that you can sort of register the rhythm and also see the movement of the hands. And at the speed, sorry, no E's. Same thing as it just means you have to change strings. So you can choose, do I like everything on one string, which I think I should do prefer, but you're more than welcome to cross over to C and B over here. Okay,